Hello students, now we will be making the images of the convex lens. All the images formed by the convex lens we will be discussing. First image we will be taking when the object is at infinity. Now this is our convex lens. This is the point optical center. This is our principal axis. This is our point C1, 2F1, C2, C2 and 2F2. Since the rays are coming from an object which is placed at infinity, object at infinity, so they will come parallel to each other. If they are parallel to principal axis also, they will pass through the point that is called principal of focus. That is called principal focus. So they will form the image at this intersecting point. This is called principal focus. This is called principal focus. Now regarding this first diagram, we are having some image characteristic. Regarding this first diagram, we are having some image characteristic. So image formed at focus, that is point F2, you can say. First is this characteristic. Second, whenever the rays of light actually meet, the image formed is real and inverted. That is the second characteristic of this image. And the third characteristic of this image is highly diminished. Highly diminished. Diminished means of small size. Of small size as that of an object. This is the first particular image drawn by us when the object is placed at infinity in front of the convex lens. Always remember, we will take always the object on the left side. If the real image will be formed, it will formed on the right side. If it would be virtual, then it will be formed on the same side as that of object. So this we have done first image case. Now we will be doing the second one.